Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm going to be taking you through this makeup look here. It takes about 5 minutes. Well, if you don't have any distractions, aka children.
Hi Mama.
Hi.
The inside of my eyes is square. 5 seconds.
No, I need a little bit longer. I can't move quite that fast. Which I had, so it took about 50 minutes to film this. Pretty, it's fleshed, it's natural, and it is fast. So this is part of the 2-part series that I filmed. One is skincare, which I will pop up here or here, and then the other is this very fresh faced makeup look. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, let's get started. First, let's start with these bags right here. I turn to this one, Bye Bye Under Eye. It's honestly one of my favorites. I use a 13 Natural Light. A lot of people say it's very thick, but you need to thin it out, and I always use it with a brush. The brush that I use is this one here from Real Techniques. I like the shape of the brush. It's wide but narrow, so I can get in between here and underneath my eyes, and then I use it wherever I need it on my face, but only the parts that I need it. So under the eyes, around my nose, a little bit around my mouth, and then spot correct. See what a difference that made? Just like not exhausted, absolutely exhausted, horrible night's sleep. Next bronzer, this is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Film Star Bronze and Glow, and then the brush is also from Real Techniques. Now for brows, this is from Benefit, Precisely My Brow, and I use 2.5. And now my face is framed. I look normal. I take a Q-tip and just clean up anything extra. These Q-tips are from Muji. I know they're black. They're actually not what I expected. I didn't realize they were going to be spiral. They're pretty dense, so I don't think I would buy these again. Hi! You're gonna sit with me as I do my makeup? Maybe?
Can you color with me downstairs?
I will. Can I just finish my makeup?
But quickly, 5 seconds.
No, I need a little bit longer. I can't move quite that fast.
Okay, then 10 seconds.
I will color with you. I'm just going to take a bit of a pause. Okay, I'm back from coloring. I'm sure every parent can relate. Suddenly, you just need to take a little bit of pause from talking and being an adult and start coloring. Okay, now I'm going to quickly curl my lashes. This one's from Shiseido. It's excellent. Even just a little bit more of a lift makes such a difference with opening up my eyes. Drink a little bit more coffee. So I'm going to put a little bit of a wing on. I know you might be thinking, really, you do that when you're just doing basic makeup? Yes, I do, because it just elongates my eyes. This one is from Revlon, and it's So Fierce Vinyl Eyeliner. Once it's on, you have about a couple of minutes to work with it, and then it stays put. It's amazing because it doesn't budge. Take the line from the outside edge of my bottom lash, my lash line, and I follow that line out. A little bit there, and then I take my finger. Oh! And I also drew on my face at the same time. Next mascara, this one is Bambi Eye from L'Oreal. It is a mascara that I thought was regular. It's actually waterproof. I do love the way my lashes look with it, but I just wish I hadn't bought waterproof. I feel like it takes forever for me to wash my face at night. But I was impressed with the formula because it didn't look too watery immediately out of the tube. Sometimes I feel like mascara, when you first use it, your lashes look a bit spindly. This one didn't. It actually gave nice volume immediately. And I'm pushing my lashes outwards because I want them to look a bit more Bambi and doe-eyed. Wow, I really missed like a lot. I do have to say with this mascara, you do need to use a Q-tip afterwards because I feel like it gets everywhere. Bioderma, micellar water, Q-tip. Hi, little miss.
Hi Mama.
Hi. Oh, hi, my little miss. Gonna help me with my makeup? Next, from Physicians Formula, a dewy blush. And this one is in the color Apricot Glow.
No.
A little bit of this goes a very long way. Okay, I give her my phone. She's playing with different filters on her face. Just need to finish this. We do what we can, right? This formula is serum based, so it is very dewy. Just wait till you see how pigmented this is. It's honestly like a serum that's filled with color. It's wonderful. Did you see the difference? So I literally just lightly tap my finger like this much, not even. That actually might be too much. I put it on the apple of my cheek, put it on the bridge of my nose. Isn't it beautiful? Just like such a lovely light flush. And then, do you see how much left? Like, honestly, it's not even a half a pump. It's like 1/8 of a pump. and then you have all this left over. I use this wand. It's Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand, and I think it's just Pillow Talk. I don't know if there's different shades. It's an easy highlighter. Once you squeeze it out, it kind of gets all over the place, so I usually don't have to do any more squeezing once I've done the initial. And I take a little bit from here. It's such a beautiful, natural looking highlighter. My other daughter is now upstairs.
Wait, is the camera on?
Yeah.
Hello. The inside of my eyes is square.
Yeah, it's this light. It's a mirror.
I last tooth got $24 for it.
I know you did. Can you believe it?
Just this little tooth.
I know. The tooth fairy was very generous.
Mommy got penny when she was little.
I got a penny when I was little.
If Mommy was lucky, she would get doll.
Well, that makes it sound like what, the tooth fairy didn't like me. Skirt, self-dressed. I think that's a skirt for a 4-year-old. I gave them my Snapchat and they're playing with filters. They can't access it. They just play with the filters. Honestly, this was supposed to be a 5-minute tutorial. I think it's turned into a 45-minute tutorial. Such is life with kids. And then, as I was saying, there's a little bit of on the back of my finger like this. I'm trying to get it on my lip line so it emphasizes the natural curve of my lip, just to make it look a bit bigger. Put a little bit on the tip of my nose. And then finally from Revlon, this is the Super Lustrous Glass Shine, and I'm using Beaming Strawberry. It's a beautiful, soft, soft petal pink. Now I'm going to take my hair out. And that concludes today's 5-minute makeup look that took about 45 minutes to film. Oh, 'tis life with children. Dewy, soft, natural, bit of a flush, and I look a bit more pulled together. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more from me. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, bye.